Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I curl my hair. I have my hair in these like loose mermaid waves in every single video, like it's always looks the exact same. So I'm going to show you how I do that because I actually don't use heat for it. So let's get started. Okay, so what I do first is I wash my hair because this only works if my hair is wet. So I'll wash it and then I'll usually put a leave-in conditioner in it. So recently I've been using Function of Beauty. This video isn't sponsored at all. I just genuinely love any of the products I'm going to be showing you. So I use their shampoo and conditioner and also their leave-in treatment. And then after that, this part's optional, but I will blow dry the top of my hair so my bangs and stuff are dry, since I'm not actually going to be doing anything to this. But you don't have to do that. That's just something I do. But if you do, leave your ends completely wet still. Okay, so after that, you've got your leave-in and everything in. Then I brush my hair out really well and I split it in half. So half of my hair is on each side of my head. And then I split it in half again. So now I've got two sections here. Then I will twist the section right here away from my face. Just twist it super tight all the way down. And then when I get to the bottom, I'll usually wrap it up around my finger and I just let it go. And then with the next section, I will twist it towards my face. Same thing as last time, just a different direction. Just twist it super tight and then I wind it up. Then I'll take them both at the same time usually and just twist them together. Not together, but at the same time. Okay, so then now I've got two separate twists. Then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So split it in half. Front section goes away from your face. Back section goes towards my face. Then twist it again up super tight. Okay, and then I usually like to add in a sea salt spray or a texture spray or something. It helps it hold it better. But if you have really textured hair already, you don't have to do this. This is just something I like to do because it makes them last longer. So I usually use the Bedhead Beach Me Wave Defining Gel Mist or the Tarte Be a Mermaid and Make Waves Sea Salt Spray. But they don't sell that anymore, so I'm going to be using this one. So I just take it. This one's like a gel, so it dries really fast, but I just spray it on my twists that are already twisted, and then I just twist them again. And it'll start to feel wet and sticky, but by the time your hair is dry, it won't be sticky unless you spray too much. So just use a little bit right here. Make sure to get the most of it on my ends, very ends, because that's usually what falls out first. And then after I put that in, I usually just kind of run extra product through the top of my head. Believe it or not, that's the hard part. So now what I do is I just twist it randomly until it's dry. So I'll do the same thing, down and then up, and then I let it go. Do the other side. You don't have to do it constantly, but make sure you do it the most when your hair's the wettest, because it'll stay in longer. I usually wash my hair at night, so I honestly just go watch a movie while I do this and you don't even notice it. But then when my hair is dry, I don't have to do anything for it, and these usually last like a week. So I don't completely brush them out once it's dry. I will brush like to here, but then I kind of just run my fingers or run the brush lightly through the bottom so that it doesn't pull all the waves out of it. But honestly, I have brushed it out and they bounce back up a little while later. So if you need to brush it, you can, but just I don't brush it super hard. And throughout the time until I wash my hair again, I just will put dry shampoo in, and then if I need it, serum or a detangler or more of the salt spray if I feel like my ends are really needing it. But that's all I do. So then I don't have to do my hair for like a week. And all I have to do is twist it. Just like this. Watch some Once Upon a Time. And once my hair is completely dry, or sometimes I wait until the next morning to do this since I wash my hair at night, all I do is I just run my fingers through it and just brush it out. And then it's just curly. I don't need to do anything else to it. Don't do that before it's completely dry though, otherwise the curls aren't gonna stay. But I literally just run my fingers through it. And then you've got great hair all the time. But that's how I curl my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video helped you. It's not fancy, but I actually get asked how I do this all the time, so I thought I'd make a video about it. So I hope this helped you and that you enjoyed it. What other videos would you like to see? Would you like to see more tutorials like this? Let me know in the comments down below. To see more videos from me, click over here, and I hope you have a magical Monday. I'll see you next week. Bye!